Avvo Legal Directory App. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Legal Directory app is designed to help you find and connect with attorneys, but most people get this wrong when they think it's only a lawyer search tool. The surprising truth is that it also provides ratings, reviews, and answers to legal questions, giving users insight into attorney expertise before making a choice. One major pro is transparency. Avvo ranks attorneys based on experience, client reviews, and professional achievements. This allows users to compare multiple lawyers quickly and confidently, avoiding blind referrals or unreliable recommendations. Another advantage is convenience. The app lets you search by practice area, location, and rating. You can also send messages or schedule consultations directly through the platform, streamlining the process of finding the right legal support. On the downside, not all attorneys are listed, and some reviews may be subjective. Users should combine app data with personal research and interviews to ensure the lawyer fits their needs. Additionally, Avvo cannot replace personalized legal advice. In conclusion, the Avvo Legal Directory app is an excellent starting point for anyone seeking legal representation. It offers transparency, convenience, and a wealth of information that simplifies decision-making. While it's a powerful tool for research, pairing it with personal consultations ensures you find the best attorney for your unique situation.